Hello there, I'd like to welcome you to this video lesson. My names are Lowasi Forex, or you can call me Lowasi Stocks in this case, because we're talking about stock trading. Now, before I go on, I'd love to thank my mentor, Tim Sykes, Robert Kiyosaki, and Matthew Crater. Tim Sykes wrote the foreword to the book, The Penny Stock Course. Robert Kiyosaki wrote Rich Dad Poor Dad, and Matthew Crater wrote Rocket Stocks, and you can find all their books on Amazon Kindle. Now, I want to show you how I am studying these stocks and how I am looking at them. So, looking at Alibaba, the first thing that I took note of with Alibaba was using TradingView. I came to the technical side here, and then I looked at the daily chart pattern. Now on the daily pattern, you could see the moving average is very strong, but then the key to this one was I looked at the MACD level, which gives you a buy signal. Also, I looked at the strength of the moving average. Very similar to what I did with CNP here as well. Looking at the moving average, strong technical analysis on the week, and the MACD had a buy level here. Same with Traveler's stock, MACD had a buy signal here, strength on the moving averages. Now with this one, which came from Tim Sykes' watch list. Now, one thing you need to know about Tim Sykes is he's a short-term trader. So, based on the short term, instead of looking at the weekly, I looked at it from the daily chart pattern. And on the daily chart pattern, the MACD level gave us a buy signal, which also gave us a strong moving average indicator here and a strong summary. Then I looked at it from the 4-hour pattern as well, where I saw a strong moving average indicator. So you can kind of look at it from the 4-hour chart pattern. Now on the 4-hour chart pattern, you will see a candlestick chart pattern form called the three soldiers. It's kind of like a bullish candlestick chart pattern. On the 4-hour chart of Alibaba, we can kind of also see dojis. Like this is a hammer, then that's a doji. But if we look at it from yeah, it's a doji here. If you look at it from the weekly chart, you can kind of see some form of clues, and you can see it has broken to a new high on the weekly chart pattern. Now this is a this is a bullish Harami chart pattern here. I've noticed a bullish Harami here, and then we have these two consecutive green days, because it's a bullish Harami and a bullish engulfing, right, and the Morobozu. So we have a fairly bullish pattern. And on the day, you can see the rising three soldiers on this one, and on the 4-day. So you have on the 4-day, you can see rising three soldiers on the 4-day, on the 4-hour, sorry, and on the daily. So you can see three rising soldiers, which makes this a very, very good buy. So I think Alibaba is definitely a good buy as well. We can look deep into it. Remember, it had a strong buy signal here, and which is what I was looking for. So Alibaba is definitely a long-term trade, because I looked at it from a long-term trade, because I looked at the MACD level on the week, which you can see right here. Alright, so you look at the MACD level on the week, it gives you a buy signal on high volume. Okay, same with CNP, buy signal on the MACD. So when this line crosses above this line here, this orange line, it gives you a buy signal with a high volume here, and this one too as well. With this one, the MACD literally crosses up on this line, and you can see the high volume on the weekly chart pattern. So that's it for this video. In the end, I set a buy limit order on BABA. So I'd love to thank you so much for watching this video lesson. Trade safe out there in the markets. Trading is risky, so learn risk management. I'd love to thank you. Learn risk management and profit taking strategies. I'd love to work. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye and bye bye.